longer. So I'm going to apply the beige gels and about really thin coat. And I am going to key it for 10 seconds. That is fast, huh? How long that we've been in the online now?
50 minutes.
50 minutes?
Wait, did we start at 4? Yeah, we did. Wait.
I can look at on that. Oh, good. Because okay, 10 seconds. So is it, if you're seeing it besides that I'm talking, it explains everything. If it take you about 45 minutes or 30 minutes to apply it, and you should able to price it fair for you. A new set of it. I think I touch your nails.
Hey Jen, yes, so it's the color Orchid from us, and it's very close to the Very Perry, the color of the year 2022. And that's what the color Nancy having on right now.
All right, 10 seconds. I'm gonna using these two colors. Is number 21 is rosy glitter, and the beige colors from Dare to Bear collection. Oh my gosh! When I look at this, I will see this one in front of me. Look, but I just let you look at it.
Okay. Just tease me.
She's she like, oh, I am gonna just for you to look. I'm gonna do one thin coat. So beautiful. You know what? We should leave it clear though.
You think so? Sure, why not?
But I already painted it. We should but it's okay. We can do ombre because I like the ombre too. I'm gonna do just one coat of this, the beige. And I have a really nice nude colors. I think it's more to do a polish and like dress up. Okay, here. I just like when I polish this, the gel polish, just really feather touch. And then keep the brush like parallel with your surface of the nails. So it's give it really nice like flowing colors. Hi Lily. Are you ready for a new set of nails? Lily will be next.
Jen says, do you guys ever plan on carrying any of the polish mixing machines? Yeah.
The polish making machine. Hold on. Did you ask me on Facebook?
Instagram.
Somehow I couldn't see the comment.
Yeah.
At the moment, we are don't have any further information, but we're definitely gonna keep you posted.
And Mary's Nail Lab just asked, is this a poly gel or acrylic set?
No, so this is our insert tip, gel extension. So you got our really nice jelly tip right here, very flexible, very durable, and then which is good old-fashioned gel polish.
Old fashioned.
Well, very, very nice gel polish. Very pretty, trendy nail polish. How about that?
It's old fashioned. Like, okay. All right, Kia. 60-second. Did you do this one 60-second?
No, I did this one 30. I didn't do 60.
Oh, 60.
But I think you still can do second layer.
So I'm go ahead and using this number 21's rosy glitter. Rosy or gold. Maybe I'll do one gold.
You can do one hand gold.
One ring's finger
rosy.
gold. And the rest is rosy. She said whatever she want, and then we'll do whatever we want. She would not know she's on the phone, so she would not pay attention.
Yep, Jen, if you see me doing Nancy now, at the end of the light, I would be dead. Like she will cry my eyes out.
It's gonna be fun to watch you do it, babe.
Yep, Jen want to see it.
Next time Mika will video and he will do my nails. Jen is gonna be cool with just the plans. We'll put it in the calendars, the plans on 2022. One of the goals to have heels on it.
Uh-oh.
So I love about this look, even those you haven't done anything yet, is I can do the ombre either way. You can do it the ombre from a cuticles down or from the free edges up, either way. And I'm gonna do probably about 2 coat, okay? Okay, hold on. Keep it flat. I'm gonna get my brush number 1. Number 1. And then keep it like really is soft like parallels with the nails and soft blending.
That come out really nice.
2 coat is gonna look cool.
Jen says it's pretty already.
Thank you so much, Jen. All right, 60-second. Oh, hold on. No, we're gonna do this one. And we're gonna using number 29's hold the gold for New Year. This one I like it too. Look. See that? The particle. So cool. You get 1 golden fingers. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe my bristle off. Cause it's have a ruby rose. What is called ruby rose, right? No, rosy glitter.
Rosy glitter.
Ruby rose. What is ruby rose
Ruby
come from?
Rose is
Oh,
from
glitter crystal. So many names. Say, don't remember. Okay, here for 60 seconds. So this now you're gonna reverse, like all go and then.
Okay.
She's like, okay, I'm. She said, whatever, Nancy, I'm not gonna fight with you.
It's gonna be beautiful when you get done.
Yeah,
I'm not worried.
that's cool. And you shouldn't, right?
Right.
If you are not happy, you do it fit. Your nail tech will let you there with your own nails, and you be end up with DIY. This one is so cool and it's soft. Look. Okay. Beautiful, huh? The fur. That's a bonus. How do you get that one on? You must did it yourself. Maybe it's come free when you're drying them. I'm using this brush number 1 is a fur brush in ombre, and I am blending it toward to the cuticles. All right. Okay, hold on. Still missing this rings finger. This would be cool. You would do my nails. I'm gonna get it shorter. But you can do the tip extension on me.
I would.
You're gonna should start your channel soon. Okay.
Well, you're willing to give me your nails, I'm willing to do it.
Sure. Second coat.
Yep, just make sure you don't die at the end of it.
Yeah.
It's like you look at your nails, you don't recognize that anymore.
Oh man.
That's why. That's why it's a tip is for. You can do again over and over. I'm adding a second coat on. If you want to get like a little bit more colors, I mean, not color. If you want more solid, I would suggest you doing like a little of a layer of the like a baby pink or any colors like a pink underneath, soft pink. I'm really happy with this. Last set we did is Christmas, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And then the I am doing the go again. This is the repeat the second layer of the glitter. So on this ring finger, I'm using, I love this gold. This gold is everything. Like, it works with all different season. I love it. It's how it sparkle and it. You have to see it in person though. It's just like so beautiful. Can't resist it.
Jen says the gold has her drooling.
This gold, Jan, I love it. It's just like when we're selecting and create the color, this is like the goal of everything. All right. This one, the gel polish is like this, but then a liquid and powder is really cool though. It's so hollow. All right, here for, hold on, I'm sorry. Back, wipe it underneath, so then it's keep it nice shape, so it won't look so bulky.
When you're done working, show me the whole set.
That's it. Hold on, 1 second. You need this.
There you go.
Hold on, 1 second.